The latest in the Hapur lynching case, the Supreme Court has sought a report from the Meerut IG regarding the incident. Now, the top court has also issued a notice to the state government, that's the Uttar Pradesh government, and has ordered security of the lone survivor and the witness, Samayuddin. Right, remember, this is the Supreme Court making a very crucial observation right now, as was expected. The latest coming in the Hapur lynching case, as the UP lynching survivors petition was taken up in the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court hearing the plea of the Hapur lynching survivor today. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja on the phone line with more. Meenakshi, we understand the Supreme Court has sought a report from the Meerut IG regarding the incident.
Well, that's correct, Sanjana. The Supreme Court has gone on to also issue notices to the Uttar Pradesh government seeking their reply. And what is very interesting is, in the light of the startling disclosures or other claims that we had seen the eyewitness make at the last date of hearing, wherein he had gone on to say before the top court as to how his statement thus far has not been recorded even. And then he had gone on to even showcase to the top court the discrepancies in the FIR as to how the FIR is registered under the provisions of road rage case and several other glitches. Today, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and provided the eyewitness, who is a critical fulcrum of this entire case, also added security. So clearly, the court's eye is on this case, and like you correctly referred to, the IG Meerut range has also been held accountable in the sense that now he will have to come up with definite responses about the incident before the Supreme Court.
Right, Meenakshi, was anything said about the fact that the petitioner, let's remember, had also sought a transfer of the case and subsequent trial outside the state amid these allegations that the police had not yet recorded his statement?
Well, yes, indeed, Sanjana, that is a plea which is currently pending as we speak. Perhaps that's the reason the court has been constrained to issue notices and seek the formal responses of all the authorities, including the IG Meerut range and also the Uttar Pradesh government, because eventually it will be the discretion of the Supreme Court. Because remember, there's only one court in this land which has the powers to transfer trial outside of a venue to an alternate venue, and that is the Supreme Court of India. But of course, before it makes any conclusive decision on the same, it is important also for the Supreme Court to ascertain all the facts and hear all the parties. And that is the reason today these notices and formal responses has been sought from the authorities. But a very fact that security cover has been provided to the eyewitness Samayuddin, Sanjana, as we speak, is a clear indication that the Supreme Court will be placing the interests of the eyewitness at a premium.
Meenakshi Bhanja, thank you so much for bringing us those updates from the Apex Court.